Good morning, my dears. So, I'm here again with your maths class. So before starting the class, can I ask one thing? So, last class, what all the things we studied? We studied numbers 1 to 10, counting, numbers 11 to 20, all the things we studied, counting and its name also, number name also we studied. Okay, can I ask one thing? How many of you do all the works? Last class I gave. How many of you do? How many of you done the works? Did all done? Just raise your hand. I know. I can see from here and I know how many of you do all the work. Did all done? Yes, very good. Yes. Okay, then shall we start a new lesson today? Shall we start a new lesson? So, are you ready? Are you ready or not? Yes, are you ready? Yes, okay. So, shall we start a new block today? What is the name of that block? Nearby numbers 0 to 10. Again numbers 1, 0 to 10, no? Are you getting bored? No. Today we are going to study a new thing about numbers, okay? So, what all the numbers we studied? We studied more numbers we studied. Today we need numbers from what? 0 to 10. So, 0 to 10. Shall we write and check numbers from 0 to 10? Yes. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many numbers I wrote here? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 numbers I write here. Okay, these are the numbers what we are counting forward. We are counting forward. This number is going forward. Next like that. These numbers are going. Okay, we are counting forward. Okay, look here. 0, 0. Next 1, 1. Next 2, 2. Next 3, 3. Next 4, 4. Next 5. Next 6. Next 7. Next 8. Next 9. Next 10. Very good. So, these are the numbers going forward. Next numbers. Okay. So, shall we look one thing? I am going to wrap something. Okay. All of you look here. Yes. I wrap two numbers here. Okay. Here 1, 2, 3. Something missed here, no? 3. Next number, that means after. Very good. 3 after what? 3 after 4. Very good. 3 after 4. 4 after 5. 5 after 6. 6 after 7. 7 after 8. Very good. 8. 8 after 9. 9 after 10. So what we studied? After number. What? After. 1 after 2. Yes. 2 after 3. 3 after 4. 4 after 5. 5 after 6. 6 after 7. 7 after 8. 8 after 9. 9 after 10. Yes, after number. So what we studied? After number means forward numbers. When we are counting forward, it comes after. Okay, yes. Yes, now I am going to do. Okay, all of you look here. Yes, here look. Something missed here, no? 10 back. 10 back. 10 back means what? 10 back means? Yes, before. 10 before. 10 before. 10 before what missed here? 10 before what? 10 before? Yes, 9. 10 before 9. What about 6? 6, something missed here. 6 back. 6 backs. 6 back. 5. Very good. That means before number. What? Before number. 10 before 9 and 6 before 5. Yes, very good. Okay, 6 before 5. Okay. So after we studied, then before. What number? Before. Okay, we can check it. Okay, before what will come? We will start from 10. We will start from 10. 10. 10 before what? 10 back. 10 back. Yes. 9. 9 before 8. 8 before. Yes. 7. 7 before 6. 6 before 5. 5 before. Yes. 4. 4 before 3. 3 before 2. 2 before 1. Do you remember what? How I read the numbers? Which order I read? Is it forward or backward? Yes, this one is backward. Counting backward. That means before. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yes, okay. So what we studied? After number and before number. Okay. Yes, look here. 1. 1 missed. I don't know what missed. You know? Something missed. Something missed after and before. For that, what we'll see? Which positions number missed here? Yes? Yes? Yes, in between. So, which are the numbers in between 1 and 4? Very good. In between 1 and 4. In between 1 and 4. What is the number will be there in between 1 and 4? Yes? Yes. 2. Then 3. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, in between 1 and 4, the numbers 2 and 3. Very good. Okay, in between 6 and 10. In between 6 and 10. Shall we look in between 6 and 10? What will be the number? Yes. 6. 7. Yes. 8. Then 9. 10. Yes. In between 6 and 10. What will be there? In between 6 and 10. 7. 8. 9. Very good. In between 6 and 10. 7, 8, 9. In between 6 and 10. 7, 8, 9. Very good. Okay, what about in between? In between 4 and 6. In between 4 and 6. What will be there? In between 4 and 6. In between 4 and 6. Yes, 5. In between 4 and 6. 5. Very good. So, what all the things we studied? After number, before number and in between. After number, before number, in between. After means we are counting forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. After number. And before number what? Before number 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Yes, 6. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. That means before counting backward. And what about this? 4. Yes. That means in between number. In between 4 and 6 what? 5. In between 4 and 6, 5. So you understood? After, before and in between. Do you understood? Okay. So shall we take any one? New chapter shall we take? Not new chapter, new? Okay, new one. So what we are going to study? Do you hear? Okay, all of you look here. What difference can you see in these two circles, big circles? What difference can you see? Yes, in this one circle has more, yes, and this circle has less. This circle has more, and this big circle has only less number of things. Okay, yes. So today we are going to study what? One more thing. What is that? More and less. More and less. We are going to study more and that means one more and one less. One more and one less. Okay. Yes. How many flowers are there? How many flowers can you see here? 1, 2. Very good. 1, 2. But so we need one more. So if we need one more, that means we need to one more. Here how many flowers are there? 2. How many flowers are there? 2. Okay. We need to draw one more and we will check which number will come. Okay. 1, 2. Yes, one more. Yes. How many are there? How many are there? 3. That means 2 and one more. 3. 2 and one more. 3. Yes, 2 and one more. 3. Look here. 2. How many balls are there? 2 balls. How many balls are there? 2. 2 and one more. What is the answer? 2 and one more? 3. Very good. 2 and one more? 3. Okay. How many flowers are there? 2. So we need to make it less. We need to make it less. Okay. We need to cut one. We need to cut and draw. How many will be there? If we cut one means how many will be there? Yes. 1. How many will be there? How many will be there? 1. That means 2 and 1 less what? 2 and 1 less. Yes, 1. 2 and 1 less. 1. 2 and 1 less. 1. 2 and 1 less. 1. Very good. We can do another example. Okay. How many balls are there? How many balls are there? Yes, 4. 4 balls. How many balls? 4 balls are there. Okay. 4 balls are there. We need one more. We need one more. 3, 4 already there. We need to draw one more. Yes. So how many is there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. So 4 and one more. 4 and one more. 4 and one more. Yes, 5. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4 balls. How many balls in my hand? 4. And one more? 5. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 and one more? 5. 4 and one more? 5. 4 and one more? 5. Yes, very good. So, but we need to less. One less. How we will make one less? We need to cut and check. Okay. That means we need to draw one less 4. Okay. 1 less 4. 1, 2, 3. What is the answer here? 1, 2, 3. That means 4. 1 less 3. Yes. 4 and 1 less 3. 4 and 1 less 3. 4 and 1 less 3. So you understood less and more? Okay, we can check by counting these balls. Okay? Yes, all of you look my hand. How many are there? How many balls in my hand? 1. Shall we make it more? 1 and 1 more. 2. 1 and 1 more. 2. 2 and 1 more. 2 and 1 more. 3. 3 and 1 more. 4. 4 and 1 more. 5. 5 and 1 more. 6. 6 and 1 more. 6 and 1 more. 7. 7 and 7. 7 and 1 more. 8. 8 and 1 more. 9. 9 and 1 more. 10. 9 and 1 more. 10. So, okay, more. That means one more. Shall we say once again? 1 and 1 more 2. 2 and 1 more 3. 3 and 1 more 4. 4 and 1 more 5. 5 and 1 more 6. 6 and 1 more 7. 7 and 1 more 8. 8 and 1 more 9. 9 and 1 more 10. Okay, so more, understood? More. Okay, shall we do less? Shall we practice less? All of you look, alphabet blocks are there. How many blocks? We can count and check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 is there. Okay, we need to study less. Okay, 10. 10 and 1 less. 10 and 1 less. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 10 and 1 less. 9. Now how many? 9 is there. 9 and 1 less. 9 and 1 less. How many will be there? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9, 1 less. 8. 8, 1 less. 8, 1 less. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. 7, 1 less. 7, 1 less what? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7, 1 less. 6. 6, 1 less. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5. 5, 1 less. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4, 1 less. 3. 3, 1 less. 2. 2, 1 less. 1. 1, 1 less. Empty. 0. So, understood? Shall we check once again? 10. 10, 1 less 9. 9, 1 less 8. 8, 1 less 7. 7, 1 less 6. 6, 1 less 5. 5, 1 less 4. 4, 1 less 3. 3, 1 less 2. 2, 1 less 1. 1 less 0. So, you understand? More and less? More and less? Yes. So, 1 and 1 more 2. 2 and 1 more 3. 3 and 1 more 4. 4 and 1 more 5. 5 and 1 more 6. 6 and 1 more 7. 7 and 1 more 8. 8 and 1 more 9. 9 and 1 more 10. Yes, we will do one example. Shall we do one example? Okay. I will show. Here one question is there. Look here. I have 6 bangles. 6 bangles. What is bangles? You know what is bangles? Yes, 6 bangles. Okay. Tina has 1 more bangle than me. Okay, then how many bangles does Tina have? You understand this question? I have in my hand how many bangles are there? How many? 6. I have 6 bangles. We can draw and check. How many bangles? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many bangles are there? 6. I have 6 bangles are there. And Tina has 1 more. How many in Tina's hand? 6 and 1 more. Tina has 1 more. So we can check 1 more. That means I have 6. Tina have 1 more bangle than me. 1 more bangle than me. Then how many will be there? Look here, I have 6 bangles. How many bangles in my hand? 6 bangles. Tina have 1 more than me. 1 more than me. So what will be the answer? Then how many bangles will Tina have? Yes, 7. Very good. How many bangles with Tina? 7. Very good. So you understood? Understood? Yes, I have 6 bangles. Tina has 1 more bangle than me. Then how many bangles does Tina have? Yes, 7. We can do one more example. Okay? We'll change. Okay. 3 toffees. Okay? Yes. See, look here all of you this question. One more example. I have 3 toffees. I have 3 toffees. Rama has 1 more toffee than me. How many toffees with me? How many toffees with me? I have 3 toffees. I have 3 toffees. I have 3 toffees. 2, 3. How many I have? Yes, I have 3 toffees. What about Rama? Rama has 1 more toffee than me. Rama has 1 more. So we need to draw 1 more. We need to draw 1 more. We need to draw 1 more. So how many toffees with Rama? How many toffees will be? Yes, how many toffees with Rama? Yes. How many will be there with Rama? Yes. Rama has 1 more toffee than me. How many toffees does Rama have? How many will be there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good. That means 3 and 1 more 4. 3 and 1 more 4. Very good. Yes. So you understood more? Yes. 1 and 1 more 2. 2 and 1 more 3. 3 and 1 more 4. 4 and 1 more 5. Yes. Okay. One more example we can draw. Draw 1 less than 1 less than star. Okay, draw 1 less than. All of you look here. I am going to draw 1 less than stars. Draw 1 less than 5 stars. How many stars I draw here? How many stars I draw here? 1 less than 5 stars. Draw 1 less than 5 stars. Here, how many stars are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 less than. 1 less than. Less than means what? We need to cut. We need to cut. Now, how many will be there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So, we need to draw how many stars? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 less than 5 stars. 1 less than 5 stars means 5 stars already there. We need to cut 1 star. Then we will get how many? We need to draw 4 stars. Understood? Yes. So, I hope you all understood today's class. So, what all the things we studied? What all the things we studied? After, before and in between numbers, and what? More and less. So you need to practice from your home. Which all the things you need to do? Do you remember every time we are doing? No. So first you need to do what? In your workbook, page number 12. Page number 12, S1. Before, after and in between. Then page number 13, S2, 1 more, 1 less. S2, 1 more, 1 less. Then in the content book, we need to do practice question page number 17, lesson 1 and lesson 2. Lesson 1 and lesson 2 till here you need to do from your own, and notebook works also I will send, that also you need to copy in your notebook. Okay, so I hope all you understand today's class. Thank you.